Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, let's explore this Chinese character. It's one of the oldest pictographs in the Chinese writing system. It's pronounced
日
It means sun, day, daytime. When combined with other characters, it forms many common words.
每日
Means every day,
生日
means birthday,
日出
means sunrise. All of these meanings trace back to the core idea of the sun and the passing of time. Now, let's see how this character evolved through history. In the earliest oracle bone script, it looked like a circle with a dot in the center, a symbol of the sun in the sky. As writing became more standardized, the character gradually took on a more square shape, eventually becoming the form we use today. Let's practice reading it.
日日日
It is a single component character. It's made up of 4 basic strokes: a vertical line, a horizontal turning hook, and 2 short horizontal lines. These are some of the most fundamental strokes in Chinese writing. Can you remember them? Now let's try writing it stroke by stroke. Don't forget the golden rules of Chinese writing, left to right and top to bottom. Pay close attention to where the first stroke begins. Position matters. The character
日
is also a common radical. It often appears in other characters, sometimes on the left, like this. Sometimes on the top or bottom, like this. After you've learned,
日
you'll start seeing it pop up everywhere in words about sunshine, daytime, clocks, calendars, even festivals. Every character you learn is like opening a tiny window into the Chinese world. Keep going. It's brighter than you think. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.